Alright, today we're going to be rekeying Kwikset lock. What you want to do is, first you're going to put your key into the lock and turn it a quarter turn clockwise. Then you're going to use your Kwikset Smart Key Learner. You're going to slip it in the small slot directly above the key. You'll remove that. Remove your key. Slide your new key into the slot and turn a quarter turn counterclockwise. Now you've reprogrammed your lock set in order to change your key on that lock. You'll want to take your old key and just confirm that it no longer works.